let's see. So this movie is starting as a color movie. Since we're using a white light source, you do get color information. But right away, we just go to grayscale because we're really interested in shape. And so to do that, we have to get it into a binary image. So we basically take the color, turn it into gray, and then the simplest way to get a binary image, which is basically black and white. The object's white, the background's black. Once you can do that, then it's very easy to separate the object from the background. So the simplest way is if the object is much darker than the background or much lighter than the background, then it's a piece of cake. You basically set a threshold, and in our case, our objects are dark because they're blocking the light. So we set a threshold. Anything that's darker than that threshold is the object. Anything lighter is the background. And so that's binary quantization. It gets a little difficult. You notice inside this blepharisma, it has holes in it because some of it is lighter than the threshold. But we have ways to deal with that. The other variable we can change is resolution. I'll go through this later. This is basically a trick to use resolution to fill in those holes. If you notice, in the top left, here's a blepharisma, and see all the holes in there? As I reduce the resolution, and if you've ever played 8-bit video games, this probably looks like Atari to you. You notice as we drop down the resolution, the holes are filling until here's an object is only about 20 pixels now, and it's all filled. So this is a fast way to get rid of holes. It also gets rid of tiny objects. Notice this tiny object here disappears because it's less than it has fewer pixels than necessary to make the threshold.